Today I'm going to teach you how to access Outlook via web browser. So I'm starting here by opening a new browser window on my computer. The first thing I need to do is navigate to Microsoft.com. Once I type that in and hit enter, I'll wait just a moment for the page to load completely. Now that I'm here on Microsoft's main website, I'm looking at the top part of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. Right there, I can see a tab labeled Office, and I'm going to click on it. This takes me to the Office page where I can access all the different Microsoft products and services. Once I'm on the Office page, I'm looking for a drop-down menu labeled Products. I'll click on that to open up the list of available options. As soon as I click it, a menu appears showing several Microsoft products and apps that are available. Now I'm scrolling down a bit through this list until I find a header that says Apps and Services. Under that header, I can see Outlook listed among the other options. So I'm clicking directly on Outlook to continue. This will take me to the dedicated Outlook page where I can learn more about the service and access the web version. Now that I'm on the Outlook page, I'm ready to actually access Outlook through the web browser. To do this, I'm looking at the top right part of my screen. Right there, I can see a button that says Sign In, and I'm clicking on it. As soon as I click that button, a new window or prompt appears asking me to enter my Microsoft account credentials. This is where I need to type in the email address associated with my Microsoft account. So I'm entering that now in the email field. After I've entered my email, I'll click Next or Continue depending on what the screen shows. Then I'm prompted to enter my password. I'm typing in my password carefully to make sure I get it right. Once I've entered both my email and password, I'll click the Sign In button to proceed. After I sign in, the page will take a moment to process my credentials and log me into my account. And just like that, I'm redirected straight to my Microsoft Outlook inbox. Everything loads up and I can now see all my emails, folders, and settings right here in the web browser. This is the full Outlook experience without needing to download or install any software. I can read emails, compose new messages, organize my inbox, and do everything I would normally do in the desktop app, all directly from my browser. And that's it. I opened a browser, went to Microsoft.com, clicked on the Office tab, selected Outlook from the products drop-down under Apps and Services, clicked Sign In at the top right, entered my Microsoft account and password, and I'm now viewing my Outlook inbox through the web browser. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.